Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a hair dryer to remove stickers. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have a hair dryer, and you can actually use this hair dryer or any hair dryer similar to this, any hair dryer at all, in fact, to remove stickers more easily than ever before. Now, here is how it works, okay? When you have a sticker that is stubborn that you can't get off, the reason why it is stubborn is because of the adhesive, the glue, the thing that is holding the sticker onto the product, onto the surface, okay? So essentially, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be using the hair dryer to heat up that adhesive or that glue, which will loosen it up, which will allow you to remove the sticker more easily than ever before. Now, I don't have a sticker with me right now, but I'm going to show you how I would do it. So let's just say that a sticker was stuck onto the window, and I'll actually stuck onto this over here, because you can see here. If a sticker was stuck onto here and it was stubborn, I couldn't get it off, what I would do is I would turn the hair dryer on, and I will put it on a relatively hot setting. It doesn't matter whether it's the hottest setting or like the medium hot setting, but you want it on at least the warm setting because you want to heat up that adhesive. So turn it on and heat up the adhesive. Now you do that by just spraying the warm air on the sticker, okay? All right. Now, after you're done and you've warmed up the sticker, you want to let it cool down for a few moments because you want the adhesive to remain warm, but the sticker, you want it to be decently cool so you can touch it. So let it cool down enough to the point where you can touch it comfortably, okay? Once you know that you can touch it safely and comfortably, you're going to get your finger and you're going to start rubbing along the edges of the sticker. So you don't want to go to the middle because the middle doesn't make a difference. You can't pull a sticker off from the middle. Go to the edges, and you're going to notice that the edges are coming up a bit. Okay, so go and rub the edges so that the edges come up a bit. When it becomes hard to remove them again, hair dryer goes back on, warm it up again. Turn the hair dryer off, let it cool down to the point where you can touch it safely and comfortably. And then once again, the edges. Rub your fingers along the edges like this. You're going to rub the edges so that the edges are lifting. And you're going to keep doing that over and over and over again. And eventually, the sticker will be off. Now, there might be some residue, and you can remove the residue using the same method that I just showed you, or you can use a different product, like there's other stuff that is meant to remove sticker residue. But this method should also allow you to remove the sticker residue, but if it's really stubborn, you can use other products. But you can use a hairdryer to remove stickers and even the residue, and it'll allow you to pull up those stickers more easily than ever before. So if you're having trouble removing a sticker, just bring in a hairdryer as your tool, and you can make it work. And that is truly it. Hopefully, you can make use of this method. Yeah, it's really, really simple. And that's truly it. That's all I got to say. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.